Jason Whigham is a licensed loan officer dedicated to helping purchasers and customers better understand all of their budget-friendly funding alternatives through greater transparency and homebuyer education throughout California. NMLS number 1448396. Call 916-413-3967 for more information. California Doctor. California Dream for All Program, 20% Down Payment Assistance Volcano. The California Dream for All Property Buyer Assistance Program uses certified newbie buyers as silent second loan for 20% down payment assistance. The Dream for All Home Mortgage and Support Program is another way California is assisting homebuyers get cost-effective funding, boost homeownership, and construct generational wealth. Don't miss IT Spring 2023 will bring the Dream for All down payment scheme. They anticipate the DFA program will assist 300 households due to Governor Newsom's $700 million budget reduction. Submit this Homebuyer Help Prequal type and select Dream for Everyone in the loan program drop-down to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. The DFA Fund Property Buyer Assistance Program will be self-sufficient via shared equity returns and will not problem California taxpayers. Program advantages. Preventing PMI lowers regular monthly payments, PMI. Loan amount reduces month-to-month payment. More deposit and lower payments boost buying power. No monthly subordinate quiet second assistance loan payment. House owner repays Dream for All Help loan when they sell, refinance, or transfer property. The property buyer will repay the deposit loan and a part of the house gratitude upon sale, transfer, or refinance. What's shared appreciation? Shared gratitude, or shared equity, implies that considering that the California State Housing Finance Agency is investing, partnering, in your ability to buy a home that will build generational wealth, you will divide or share a little percentage of the home's value increase when you sell, move on. Divided or shared appreciation. Your income identifies just how much appreciation the State Real Estate Authority gets when you sell or refinance. %/20% split equals borrowers with earnings 80% to 150% of the AMI preserve 80% of home gratitude. 75%/15% equals under 80% AMI customers. Keep 75% of house appreciation, almost anyone. Shared appreciation limit equals 5 times the primary loan quantity. A $500,000 purchase by a moderate income property owner after 5 years is revealed listed below. Goal eligibility. Novice homebuyers, those without a property after 3 years. 660 minimum. Debt-to-income limit, 45%. SFR/condo min/max CLTV, 70%/. 105%. No unoccupied co-signers. County income limit. CalHFA requires property buyer education. Needed 1-year house guarantee. CalPlus Zip and My Home Assistance are incompatible. Learn your options. Have comparable queries? What about other homebuyer aid programs? Finest Help Program. Which program pays the least? Which program will help you get more? I do this. I assist you choose and get pre-approved for the homebuyer aid program you pick. Many lenders are unaware of or unable to offer help services. The majority of loan officers do not have the info, experience, and resources to respond to these questions. Lots of will lie and state you're not qualified or attempt to make an aid program appear dreadful. Getting Dream for Everyone help. Fill out this Down Payment Help Prequal form to get pre-approved for the very best home loan or homebuyer assistance program. They expect the DFA program will aid 300 families due to Governor Newsom's $700 million budget reduction. Fill out this Homebuyer Help Prequal form and select Dream for Everyone in the loan program dropdown to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. Most lending institutions are unaware of or unable to use help services. Most loan officers do not have the info, experience, and resources to address these questions. California Dream for All Program, 20% Down Payment Assistance Volcano, Purchase, Sell Real Estate Homes with Jennifer Whigham. Call Jennifer at 916-370-6584 to get help with settlements, documentation, and closing the deal. Work with your effective regional leading realtor.